Today I'm working on a single crochet ribbed border for this cardigan I'm making, and I thought I'd take a moment to share with you guys how I do this. Already done the bottom edge, so I'll show you on the side how I'm making the ribbing. Okay, so here's my first stitch that I'm going to be working in. So slip stitch into this space. And then I'm going to chain 10 because that is the length that I want my ribbing to be. You could do 3, 4, 5, 20. It's really up to you. Now I'm going to use that 10th chain that I made as my turning chain. And I'm going to single crochet back down for a total of 9 single crochet stitches. Alright, that was 9 single crochets. Now I need to connect this work to my cardigan, and I'm going to do this by slip stitching into my next 2 spaces. So here are those 2 slip stitches that I just made, and we aren't going to put any work on top of these slip stitches. We are going to actually skip over them and single crochet into the first single crochet space of the previous row. So I'm turning my work, and I'm going to single crochet for a total of 9 times all the way back down to the end of this row. Okay, that was 9 single crochets, chain 1, turn, and then work back down with 9 more single crochets. And when I do this, I'm crocheting through both loops, not just the back or the front. I'm going through both loops. Alright, 9 single crochet. We're gonna slip stitch again into the next 2 stitches, turn the work, skip over those 2 slip stitches, and then single crochet 9 times again. And that's it. The whole process is just on repeat until you've crocheted ribbing all the way around your project. When you finally get to the end of the project, make sure that you end in a slip stitch to secure the ribbing to the project, and then cut your yarn and sew the 2 ends together if you're working in a round, or weave in your ends if you're not working in a round. I hope this was helpful. See you guys in the next video.